I think the floodgates have just opened in relation to the menopause, and I thank all of the women brave enough to share their stories. Women are being misdiagnosed, they have been denied treatment, they've been given incorrect treatment. We need to change that. We need to change the future for women who are going to be going through this, and we need to ensure that women are getting the proper treatment and that we have the awareness programmes both through health and through education. Thank you, Minister.
Minister.
Sometimes you can be asked a question about a particular area that you mightn't be overly familiar with, but I have to say, when it came to talk about the menopause, I'm well qualified to answer. So it's great to hear. It's great to hear what has happened on the airwaves over the last couple of weeks, giving people, women, giving them a voice, somebody to listen to. I think that was a huge part of it. It was nearly therapeutic that somebody was there to listen. And it was really great for men too, that they would get a real understanding of sometimes how difficult it is for women going through the menopause. The government recognises that menopause is a key health issue for women in Ireland today. For an issue which will impact over half of the population, stigma and uncertainty persists for many women, and this has to change. Discussion is underway between the Department and the HSE on the provision of potential additional support to this area, and I will be happy to update the House on this once approved and finalised. I am happy to share details of activity underway and planned which will address this specifically, such as the inclusion of menopause as a topic within the new HSE online citizen health guides currently under development. Menopause will be included within a woman's health information respiratory site of trusted sources to be developed over the coming months. And menopause will also be a topic included in an education and communication campaign on specific women's health issues intended to be held later this year.